Alright, cool cats. Last word for this orbit. Ms. Evie here, still swinging through the galaxy of knowledge. Our word is coughed. Coughed means someone made a coughing sound. Say it with me, coughed. Listen carefully to the sound at the end of the word. In coughed, the letters GH work together to make an F sound. Here's the word in a sentence. She coughed when dust got into her throat. Let's check your understanding. Do you cough with your feet or your throat? Say your answer. The answer is your throat. Does coughed mean it is happening now or already happened? Say it out loud. The answer is already happened. Which letters make the F sound in coughed? Say your answer. The answer is GH. Excellent work. Now write the word coughed neatly. And just like that, this space mission is complete. This is Ms. Evie, the coolest teacher in the galaxy, signing off for now. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you on the next orbit.